What's happening? This is Johnny Snow back in the building, and today I'm gonna go over these lights that I just got from Feyachi. Is a very price conscious brand that you can find easily on Amazon, to fulfill your gun light purchases and little accessories that you put on your weapons and all that. And I got these from Feyachi a couple of days ago, and I was just checking them out, and I just wanted to share these with you guys. All right, now this is this Feyachi HL20, and this right here is just a light, and it is extremely bright. They did a very good job on this light. So I put it on the whiteout, and I will say that from just using it just to light up, just to play around with it, really, I have blinded a lot of people with this in my house. Not while it's on the gun, while I'm walking around with it. I have blinded people. And this is also a Feyachi. This is the Feyachi green light laser combo. Alright, this does not have a designation on Amazon, but if you type in Feyachi light laser combo, this will pop up. And these are not expensive light lasers, but I will say this light right here has to be one of the better lights that I have seen for a budget-friendly light. This light actually, hold on just one moment. Let me grab something right quick. Hold on. This right here is my Olight Baldor. The Olight Baldor that I have this on my M9A4 as well, and this I actually have the Baldor Pro on my M9A4. This is the Baldor RL because it has a red laser. The Baldor Pro that I have has a green laser. So let me switch this over to light, and let's do just like a real short throw right here. See that light? Now, let me leave it on. Now let me turn this budget light on. Can you see the difference? One has a yellow hue to it. This one has a very, very, very bright white hue to it. And it is very noticeable. And I will say that this Feyachi lights it up better than the Olight, and I have been an Olight fan for a while, and I was absolutely surprised once I saw how bright this was on here. I will say that these Feyachi lights, for them being budget, they are good lights. Now, as far as endurance and how long they'll last and and all that, I could not tell you. I have not gone and just left them on to see, count the time and see when one of them dies. I haven't done any of that type of stuff or anything like that, but I will say that they are very well built. They feel sturdy. Both of these feel extremely sturdy, and no less quality than the Olight. And they are actually brighter than this Olight, which I am absolutely surprised. That I was able to get a brighter light out of this one. Now the Olight is on par. The light of this one is pretty much the same as the Olight, but this one, hands down, is the brightest light. And I will say that I would recommend them. I would say that, I don't see a problem getting them. And if anybody has had issues with Feyachi, hit me in the comments. Tell me what issues you had. Tell me why you don't like them, or why you wouldn't buy them, or or if you don't like Olights, hit me. Tell me why you don't like Olights. If you like them, tell me why you like them. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe, and watch the journey that I take all these guns on, and watch all the new products that I get in here and try out, because I am an accessory junkie. I buy all types of crap. But I will say this, these are good lights, and the laser actually is a good laser. You can actually see this laser very well in the daytime. It's very good laser, green dot laser, and I have no problem with either of these. I would recommend them if you are not trying to spend a lot of money on one of these. Where the Olight ran me $150. These are in the high 30s, low 40s. High 30s, low 40s. So check them out. Johnny Snow up out of here.